If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, for sure as hell funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground, and we don't even have to pretend. Every time we're together, it doesn't get better.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, hello guys. My name is Fatim Musdalifah and my partner is
Ahmad Istiqlal Al-Nazak, and we are a UF student.
We will tell about experience. But what the term?
Our term is study and the career.
Career, right?
In the career.
Nowadays, we know that Senior Harrison has been final examination for the national, so he confused about he want join to university, but he don't know how to choose a course to grade for him.
What he like? What he interest of what?
Maybe my brother like to exacta field, like calculating something, like maybe engineering, physics, chemical, and mathematics, and another about to calculating something.
Yeah, I know. Nowadays, engineering is the highest salary. You can suggest him to take engineering. Many course in engineering got highest salary of their graduate student.
I think that's a good idea for my brother. Maybe he like interest to that course like engineer, right?
Yeah.
So maybe engineering have many kind to choose. You know that the divide to engineering.
Yeah. Maybe you can suggest him like petroleum engineering. Petroleum engineering got highest average salary in the world. Petroleum engineering helps locate natural reservoirs of petroleum deposit. They work with teams of specialists to develop more effective, cost-efficient method of petroleum recovery through the application of principles from chemistry, mathematics, engineering, and geology. There are three types of petroleum engineers who differs only by the stage of the drilling process that they are involved in. Reservoir engineer monitors the geological information for the best strategic method of extraction. And the second highest salary in the world is actuarial mathematics. An actuary is a business professional who analyzes the financial consequences of risks. Actuaries use mathematics, statistics, financial theory to study a certain future event, especially those of concern to insurance and pension programs.
So maybe like in the company or in governance, can work in the governance building. Or
yeah, he can work alone. He can work with some company. He can work
with another employee in the government.
Yeah,
states.
yeah. Nuclear engineers research and develop the processes, instruments, and systems used to derive benefits from nuclear energy and radiation. Many of these engineering find industrial and medical uses for radioactive material. For example, in equipment used in medical diagnosis and treatment. Typically, they work in office. However, their work setting varies with the industry in which
it is nuclear, right? It's something is dangerous, dangerous like atom, right?
Yeah.
Is the same or different? Maybe
It's
it's more dangerous
more bigger.
Yeah,
bigger
I
than-
think there is only there is in America, Korea, in maybe in
Yeah,
some
just
country have nuclear, right?
Yeah.
But Indonesia didn't have a nuclear factory in Indonesia, but just only study in maybe UGM, right?
yeah.
UGM. But he got it. So where he want go to get job to after this with it.
After he graduate, he can go to the another country, or maybe he can develop by the government of Indonesia in the future. If they have enough resources, maybe they will build nuclear company in Indonesia.
Maybe sometime Indonesia build nuclear factory in Indonesia sometime.
Yeah,
Maybe.
yeah. It will be
It will be.
because all of country in the world want to build their own nuclear factory.
Maybe he can join the first time
Yeah.
to
Yeah,
work in
maybe,
there.
yeah,
Be
he
good ideas. Okay,
Yeah.
I will tell to him later.
and
Maybe
this
next your opinion. How about you?
I think he can take chemical engineering.
Chemical engineering.
Yeah, because chemical engineering is involved in the design, the development, construction, and operation of industrial processes for the production of a diverse range of products, as well as in commodity and specialty chemicals. Relevant industries include oil and gas, energy, water treatment, food and drink, plastic, and toiletries.
About the development of plastic from naturally, like maybe another country have Japan, I think, have a bag plastic from ketela skin, you know. It is so natural. He make he can recycling that item with fast.
That's
quickly.
chemical engineering do.
Okay, maybe
Yeah.
something Indonesia have innovation more to Indonesia to can introduce some innovation like bag from another raw material maybe like maybe like from air. You can in logic that.
Yeah, and
From air, sometimes
maybe
it's chemical. You can do anything from chemical.
yeah,
Okay.
he can do that.
Okay, let's tell me about another engineering. You know.
And now about the famous course.
Farmers Scholar, yes.
But that's so hard.
So hard,
This
difficult, right?
electronics and communication engineering. Electronics is the technology associated with electronic circuit and system. It is one of the major branches of the electrical engineering. Electronics engineers use scientific knowledge of the behavior and effect of electron to design, develop, and test component, device, system, or equipment that use electricity as part of their source of power. These components include capacitor, diodes, resistor, transistors. Electronic engineering usually work in cross-functional project teams with colleagues in other branches of engineering. Work can be found in variety of areas as electronics are used in many things included acoustics, defense, medical instrument, mobile phone, non-technology, radio and satellite communication.
It is more using PC concept, right?
Yeah,
PC concept. So
all of
all
electronics.
of the electronic.
Yeah, your phone.
The phone is using
yeah.
electronic. Maybe
Yeah.
here, my brother is like calculating something. We interested about this. Maybe you can tell me another course.
Yeah, it is a computer science engineer. A computer engineer, also called a software engineer, is responsible for developing, testing, and evaluating the software that makes our computer work. They may help in the development of new computer games, business application, or even in the design of entirely new operation system.
Maybe he can make some application or game maybe.
Yeah, maybe he can build like new Android.
New Android,
Yeah,
like
new device. Yeah,
Oh, device.
iOS. He will learn about that.
Maybe sometime next time Indonesia have some operation for smartphone, right?
Yeah, their own
The
phone.
good innovation.
Yeah, that's good.
You have another suggest to my brother?
Yeah, I think you can suggest him to take the economics course, like
Economics.
management, accounting, or something else.
Yes.
Yeah, because
But money, right?
economics. Yeah,
Yes, money is. I like money.
yeah, because the economists study how societies and market distribute resources such as raw material, land, human labor, and capital in order to create goods and service. Economists are employed by a wide variety of entities including government, agencies, investment houses, banks, think tanks, non-profit group, and large corporation.
I think economy is more difficult from between among another workers, like using statistic and other theory about economy,
Yeah.
and maybe all of major concept in economy like calculating. Indonesia have one university the famous in Indonesia, even in the world. You know STAN? STAN?
Yeah.
I think it's biggest university about economy. I think I suggest him to join the university, but it's so difficult. How about you? You interest maybe? To
Yeah,
get
he should study more.
Suzuki.
Yeah.
In Stan, after he graduated, Stan have government can recruit direct from STEM student.
Yeah,
Right?
because student have a contract with the government, right?
Yes, direct after graduated he take hire direct from student Stan, right?
Yeah.
Yes. But after he graduated from the Stan, he didn't need to confuse about the job because the government hire direct from Stan student.
Yeah. He can directly get the job, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I think good idea.
Yeah.
Among your suggestions for me, it is all about maybe in work in the paper and the calculating in the room maybe. But have suggest to my brother. I will to tell to you. How about this? I have idea about civil engineering. You know civil engineering?
Yeah.
Civil engineering create improve and protect environment in which we live. They plan, design, and offers construction and maintains a building structure and facilities. So our roads, railways, airport, bridges, harbors, dams, irrigation project, power plants, and water and sewage system. They also design and build the building the large structure that they last for others for years and withstand all weather condition. This engineering also study about undertaking technical and feasibility studies, including site investigation, undertaking complex and repetitive calculation. His maybe that what he want to study about that.
He can improve his skill in that course. Yeah. It's good for him. Maybe you have to suggest him to take civil engineering.
I have another idea. Can tell to you. Mathematician is difficult. I think. Yes,
Yeah.
it's difficult. But
it's more-
I think that he want about the challenging. Challenging is about the calculating something. Many number,
Yeah.
many amount to calculation to be something new value. So mathematician not only calculating, but mathematician can be teacher to in the school to teach student about the mathematica, and another can what else job he can get. I think. How about you?
Yeah, it's good for him if he like to calculating number.
You have another idea maybe?
No, I think that's all. That's the highest salary nowadays.
Nowadays,
Yeah, it's
the famous just
this course, this jobs get a highest salary.
okay. Among all of these scores you tell me, maybe I have suggestion also. So I will tell about to my brother. Maybe tomorrow he will register from the university. Maybe I have three course most interest from me. I think this civil engineering.
Economist.
Economics, yes, economy. Economy like some like management, right?
Yeah,
But
yeah,
it's
it's
more
management.
difficult if calculating something, right? And the third one is nuclear engineering. But I think it is more unique jobs and the more challenging to get job there. Maybe my brother is most interesting to three of the course for the
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching.
Assalamualaikum.
But I will never let it go. No, I will never let it